To withdraw money from Google AdSense, sign into AdSense, access your Google AdSense account using your credentials, navigate to Payments, click on Payments from the left-hand sidebar menu or find the Payments section within your account. Set up payment method. If you haven't done so, set up your preferred payment method. Options typically include direct bank deposit, wire transfer, checks or electronic funds transfer depending on your location. Check payment threshold. Ensure your earnings meet the payment threshold. AdSense has a payment threshold which varies by currency and country. Payments are issued when your earnings reach or exceed this threshold. Verify payment details. Double-check your payment details, including bank account information or address if you're receiving checks to ensure accuracy. Request payment. Click on the Request Payment or Withdraw button to initiate the payment process. Wait for processing. Google AdSense processes payments around the 21st of each month. Once processed, the payment method you've selected determines how long it takes for the funds to reach you. Monitor payment status. Monitor your payment status within the Payments section. Google AdSense provides details on payment issues, delays, or successful payments.